Oh sis, this Abby. This is gonna be hard to choose. Whoa, look sexy. What is up guys? Welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time, welcome in general. My name is Reese and today I'm about to do a chit chat get ready with me. This is my first one ever. I decided that I wanted to try it out and see how you guys like it, so that's what we're doing today. I've been wearing my hair in this bun, and so today I'm gonna put back in my Goddess Braid Ponytail. If you have not seen this video, I will link it down below. Y'all showed me so much love on that video, so if you want to see how I made this, then I'll put the link down below. I'm gonna be using this Eco Styler gel. This is the black castor and flaxseed oil one, and my hair is already up, so all I'm gonna do is take some gel and add it around my hairline, and when I'm done I'll come closer so you guys can see. So the reason why I wanted to do a chit chat get ready with me is because I've been feeling some type of way lately just about the type of content that's on my channel. And if you look at my channel, you see that I have like majority hair videos, and that's fine because I do love hair. Obviously I love doing hair, but sometimes it gets overwhelming. Like when you do your hair, how long do you keep it in? If it's a protective style, it should be in for like what, at least a week or two. And so it's like if I want to put out 2, 3, 4 videos a week and have them be on hair, how can I do that and keep my hair healthy? Because if I'm doing a protective style one week, but then I'm like, oh, but I need a couple more videos out, so I gotta hurry up and take my hair out even though it's only been 2 days. So it's like, I don't know, I just feel like I have to do something other than just hair because I want my hair to be healthy and grow and not just look nice. I do DIYs and sewing and stuff like that sometimes, but I don't know, leave down below what you would like to see. But I do have some stuff in mind already, so just beware that my channel probably won't be all hair anymore. Don't get me wrong, I'm still gonna do hair videos, but I'm gonna have other things on my channel as well. A lot of these hair companies will reach out to me and ask me to do a review for them, which is fine. I'm gonna make my bun as small as possible because I'm gonna put that ponytail over it. And let's see, nice and sleek for the most part. I'm about to do my face now, and the first thing that I always do is use this milk of magnesia. Now I heard this is bad for your skin, but I haven't found anything that works the way it does. As you can see, my skin is super oily, and so this just takes away the shine. But anyway, like I was saying, so you know, it's cool that hair companies reach out to you to do reviews or whatever, but they always want you to review some body wave or straight. Like, girl, I don't want to do that. Can I get some curly? And you know, sometimes they will let you get curly or whatever. It just depends on the company. But to be honest, like before I was on YouTube and before I was making videos, which has been for a long time, but I originally started with synthetic half wigs. Like I would just wear synthetic half wigs, and you know, that was me. I never wore sewings because the hair would just make my scalp itch. I kept them in only for what, a week or two, if that, because I just couldn't take it. And so I've never really worn bundles like that. And so like I said, it's cool that these companies reach out to me and ask me to review their hair, but if I'm being honest, I would go buy me some synthetic hair. I would wear a human hair half wig, but I barely like making wigs. Like, that stuff be taking too long. So I don't know, I'd be conflicted, like, oh, this hair is nice and I could make a wig out of it, but do I feel like making a wig? Like, I just don't know. So I don't know. That's not to say I won't ever wear human hair or anything like that, but I'm lazy as far as making wigs. And if you want to send me a human hair wig, like, that's even better, because it's good hair, it'll last a long time, and I don't have to make it. Y'all see what this just did to my skin? Like, look how matte it is now. I just want some easy styles. Like, I love wigs because you could put them on in the morning, take them off at night, moisturize, and put them back on. Like, you don't have to deal with all this hair on your pillow, and just, I'd rather be able to access my scalp. So yeah, I prefer a half wig out of anything. Synthetic, human hair, I don't care, but pre-made. Like, so anyway, this is not me complaining, because I'm definitely very grateful for all the companies that reach out to me and see something in me to ask me to review for your company. Because sometimes I look like, girl, they want me? Little old me? But anyway, dang, how did that just get right there? Well, basically, I say all that to say, I want to get back to Carise. That's my real name. I want to get back to Carise. Like, when did I start wearing wigs? 2010? Just being me. Like, bundles are not me. But I just want to go get a synthetic half wig and put it on real quick, because it's just much easier. But now I'm going to do my eyebrows, and I only use one product for my eyebrows, and it's this, who is this by? Rimmel London Professional Eyebrow Pencil, and this is in the color Black Brown 004. The key for fleeky brows with one product is a sharpened tip. So I already sharpened the pencil. The first thing I do is I underline the bottom of my lid, and you want to do it light, and I start a little bit in front of my brow. Sometimes I raise my eyebrow to make it tighter. Then what I'm gonna do, sis, is line the top. Now for the top, I don't go all the way to the front, but I go like right here, a little bit behind my brow, and do the same thing. So now that they're outlined, I'm just gonna fill them in very lightly. That's where I'm at with my channel right now. Like, I just can't do only hair videos. It's just impossible. And I want to do more than hair too, because I like other things besides hair. Shoot. And I don't want to get to the point where I'm trapping myself in a box as far as my content. Like, oh, she's the hair girl. That's all she does, just hair. Like, nah, cuz I could do more than that. Then in the front, I go super light, just like this. And the same thing over here. Then I take the other end that has the brush, and I'll brush it from the bottom line up. Like that. And that kind of fades the front and gets rid of that harsh line if there is one. Then I will take any one of my fingers and just brush it out. So that's my brows. Are they on fleek? The only other thing that I do is lashes and lips. So these are the lashes I'm using. This one is a little raggedy, but don't judge. So I use black lash glue. I don't know, that's just what I've been using like forever now. So I take the lash and grab it with these, fan it for a little bit, blow on it. Then I have this mirror that I use to look under so I can see what I'm doing. And I blink a couple times because, girl, I always be blinking and then it'll get on my eyelid and I don't got time for that. So I blink like, oh, come on, get your blinks out. And then I will use this mirror to look underneath and place this on my lash line and hold it for like 5 seconds. Then let go, and it's like that. Now is when I take these smaller tweezers and I grab the end and place it where I want it to go. And now I can use my finger to adjust it. Then I also take these and do the same thing in the front. I have a mole right here. It's really light brown, but I like to enhance it, and I have one up there too. So I'll take this e.l.f. eyeliner, and I usually make it a little bit smaller so it don't look too crazy. Then I just do one dot up here. I'm going to show you guys my lips last because I'm about to go eat real quick. And I'm not trying to mess up my lips. So let me do my hair really quick. I'm going to keep this on. But for the ponytail, all you have to do is take it, and I'm putting it on this side because I'm going to flip it over to the other side. And if your bun is still big, you can use this band also to try and make it a little bit smaller. And then you just take this bun, you take the ponytail and flip it over and tuck your bun inside of the hair. And like I said, I will link down below the video that I first made this ponytail, girl.
Looking like a trap when I walk in the building. That mean I got something expensive. Front door dealer. Dirt bike 4-wheeler. Me and Joe Blow gon' skim me your bitch. Add it to me, nigga, get money like a shit. Scream my needle, got 100 in the seat. I ain't no gay, I'm a Judy me. Fuck how you rap on my shoulder like council. Came in like this, turning up on you bastard. So
the last step is a lips, and I'm gonna be using this NYX brown pencil, and this is in the color SPL 826. And then I'm gonna use this butter gloss, which is in the color Angel Food Cake. I'm gonna line my lip. And then on the sides, I like to bring it in. So it's like an ombre kinda. On my top lip, I fill it all the way in, because I don't like that harsh line. It's just not a good look. Not for me, at least. So now I get the gloss. And I press down a little bit to like smear and blend in that brown. As you can see, it looks cute, but we like to take it to the next level. What I do now is I underline my lip. I'm not going to draw on my skin. I'm just going to lightly go under, and it's going to create like a shadow. So watch this magic. I have this little ridge, and I just draw on that. And it's going to make my lip look plump. Can you see the difference? You can see the difference on the top. Look at this side. It looks super juicy and plump. And that side, it don't look as plump. And now look, both sides look juicy fruit. Hey! Just go ahead and take this off. This is the hair, sis. Super cute and laid it up. Gotta get that abby though. Let me put my jacket on, sis, that I'm wearing. This bright Big Bird jacket that I got on AliExpress. If you know me, girl, I am a tomboy, okay? You will rarely catch me in a dress or a skirt. If I could choose heels or flats, it's definitely flats. Like, I want to be comfortable. So let me put this on. This is the look. You can be comfortable and tomboyish and still be cute. I'm so juicy. I got, what did I say? I don't even know. Alright guys, so that is going to conclude this video. I hope this is not too long. I'm going to try to edit it as best I can so that it's not super long. But this is the look, y'all. This is literally the same face I do every single time. I don't know how to do no makeup at all. Like, this is all I can do. And sometimes I put a little highlight. I didn't do that today, but... And yeah, once again, if you want to see how I did this style in the first place, I will link the video down below. It's my Jumbo Goddess Braid, my original invention, and I just freaking love it, and I'm glad that you guys love it too. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed, be sure to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe down below. Hit that notification bell so that you're not only subscribed, but you get a notification when I upload, because you don't want to miss any of this. I say you don't want to miss any of this. But anyway, as always, I love you guys, and the support you give me is truly amazing. I'm about to hit 30K. Yes, 30K. I'm so excited. But anyway, thank you guys so much. Once again, I love you, and I will see you in the next one.